Good evening, everybody. Andrew here with Lifetime Quality Roofing. I'm out here with my dog, Oakley. We're on a little walk, checking the aftermath of the storm that just rolled through Powell. And as you can see right here, we actually had a pretty substantial tree limb fall right here on our normal walking path. And, you know, what this means for your homes is who knows? You know, you guys could have been impacted by these storms that just came through here. I'm already getting calls and texts from prior customers who didn't have any damage on their roof, 3-4 months ago, wanting us to come back out. So, you know, you can obviously reach out to me directly off this message here. You know, shoot me a text, give me a call, 614-578-6198. Let's get those roofs inspected before the winter months are coming and we get, that snow coming in, all that kind of water intrusion. Just be a little proactive here, all right, guys? Reach out to me today, 614-578-6198. This is Andrew with Lifetime Quality Roofing, and you may get lucky enough to see Oakley out there checking out your roof with us. So we'll talk soon. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.